Hi everyone, it's Tabitha. Glad to see you guys. It's definitely been a while. Um, on today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a balloon column. I've actually been trying to get motivated, trying to be inspired. It's been over a year since my last YouTube video, but I am back and with more content and wanting to show you guys some things. But today's video, I actually saw, I've been scouring the internet trying to find, inspiration, motivation, new designs. And I actually came across something that I liked on Instagram. I will probably try and put the creators page that I saw it on down at the bottom, but we're gonna go ahead and try and recreate it. The reason why I like this design is because it looks like a 3D effect, and the original video that I saw, the creator used 4 colors and made it like a spiral. I'm actually going to use 3: chrome gold, chrome silver, and black, and see how it comes out. So you guys can stay tuned and watch and see how it turns out. In this clip, you'll see me size and resize the 5-inch balloon. I was trying to stretch it, being that the max capacity for that balloon is 5 inches and the size required was 5. So I was trying to stretch it, but in the end, I wound up actually taking down all of these balloons here and then resizing that 5-inch to 4.5 so that it wouldn't be so tight. And here is when I realized that I was making my quads with the same colors, and I should have been doing one with the chrome silver and one with the chrome gold. I am kind of rusty, so I did again have to take those apart too, and then make the quads adding in that chrome silver. The chrome silver and chrome gold are both sized to 8 inches. We have the 5-inch balloons in black, sized down to 4.5. You're gonna make a quad, just like that. And then since you twisted the top 2 chrome, you're gonna wrap the 2 blacks around your pole. Put it down and twist. Hope you guys were able to see that. This is going to be a spiraled design. So you want to make sure that when you put your quad, the next quad on, that your balloons are matching on each side so that the spiral will properly form. And this design is a little bit difficult, so you want to make sure that you maintain the spiral going through. So you will see me occasionally turning the pole so that I can keep that spiral shape and make sure that everything is flowing properly. And as you guys can see, that gold is coming around nicely. My ring caught that balloon. I don't want to miss that. And also, when you're putting your quads on, you want to make sure that you are pressing down once you have put it on. Twist and press down so that it is tightly secured. And as you can see, it's starting to spin. I'll go ahead and stand up now. And I do have this set up on a knot lamp, a light lamp pole. And I want this to be a floor to ceiling column. So I have this set up to go all the way to the ceiling. All right, I'm probably gonna have to go move my camera in a second. And I have completed the design. And of course, at the end of anything you create, you want to make sure you tweak, make sure everything is correct, positioned properly, and move anything that needs to be moved to make sure that the design is flawless. The only thing that I would do differently is probably use a 7-inch balloon for the smaller one and size that down to 5 inches. I believe the original creator used an 11-inch and sized that down to 5. So that's the only thing that I see that I would do differently. But this is the completed design. I love it. I think it came out amazing. This can definitely be used for a 20s or 50s themed party, a milestone birthday like 40s, 50s, 60s, 70th birthday. This will look amazing at an event with those themes. Thank you guys for tuning in. This was so much fun. I appreciate you viewing. I hope you liked it. Please leave any comments or questions down below. And until next time, bye.